welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn Brooke and I am a hairstylist and salon owner here in Western North Carolina. Today I am reviewing and giving my impressions on the DYSON AIRWRAP, so if you'd like to see that, then keep watching. Alright, so first we're going to show you the different barrel styles. I am using the smaller of the two barrels today, and there's also the larger ones that go both ways. So we're going to make sure that we're using the barrel that goes the right direction. As you can see, there are two different ones, and we are going to be going away from the face today. So I went ahead and did a couple curls just to get the hang of it, and so far so good. I do have extensions in fairly short natural hair, so you'll see a few issues as far as that goes, but with a little bit of trial and error, I feel like this has been a really easy product to use. So I'll kind of do a couple curls and then show you exactly what it is that I'm doing to make this product work. So when I have the barrel on, I am holding up the cool shot button once the hair is dry, and that is going to set that curl into place. And as you can see, it creates a really beautiful curl pattern. And basically all we are going to do when we switch sides is just make sure that you change that barrel out so that you don't have curls going towards your face. So all you're going to do is hold up the barrel while it's on towards the ends of your hair, and basically it will wrap itself around the barrel. You don't have to twist your wrist or do anything. You literally pull the product up to your head and it will do the curling by itself. And then, like I said, I'm kind of touching my hair to make sure that it's dry, holding up that cool shot button for a few seconds, making sure that it's cooled off and that the curl is set into place, and then you will turn the product off and it creates a beautiful curl when you let go. So I'm just going to speed through this next few sections, and then I'll do the middle of my hair, and I will come back once I'm at the top of my head to kind of show you guys exactly how I finish off the results and kind of give you my final impressions on the DYSON AIRWRAP. Alright, so I am on my third section now, and as you can kind of see, as I go along, the curls start to settle out by themselves. It's very important that you don't go through and brush your fingers through it until everything is completely cooled off and set into place. I think that's what makes these curls last a little bit longer, is just letting that cool air really let them set in. So with my shorter extensions on the top, or with my shorter natural hair and extensions, I found that on some pieces it was easier to do my natural hair separately, and then some pieces I would add in a little piece of extension. I think that had I taken smaller sections, it would have been an easier time for me to do this, and also if I had a mirror, because I was literally using the viewfinder on the camera to do this. But even regardless with that, I feel like I still got some pretty good results with this. I feel like the DYSON can create very different curl patterns. I did do the most basic one today to kind of give you a just basic review of the product, but I have since then found out how to do beach wave. So I'm very happy with the curls that it gives. I definitely think I could have done a better job this day, but I will show you how you kind of get from the crazy curls to the pretty voluminous Victoria's Secret curls. So what I'm doing here is basically just running my fingers through my hair, and I'm making sure that I break up all those curls. I did let my hair set for a few minutes just to make sure that everything, like I said, was cooled and set into place. And this is pretty much the look that you're going to get once you brush your fingers through it. Technically, you could just leave it here, and I feel like for the everyday person, this would look perfectly fine. I just prefer a little bit of a different look, so I will show you the products that I'm going to use to make sure that my curls are defined and look very good, like I just got a blowout. So the two products I'm using are the Kenra Texturizing Taffy and Olaplex Oil. And basically, first thing, I will go ahead and take that texturizing taffy and just run it through my fingers, and then I'm going to do the same thing by running my fingers through my hair. This is going to give the curls a little bit of a hold without being crunchy, The texturizing tacky doesn't have a super strong hold, but it does help to make those curls look a little bit more defined. And then also to make them defined, I will go through and you can see I'm kind of creating that curl pattern myself to separate them out. And I'll run my fingers through one more time just to make sure that everything does look exactly how I want it to look. Alright, and then I will go in with the Olaplex oil and apply this to my hair. Overall, I am super happy with the results, and I feel like this product does definitely help my drying and styling time go down. When having extensions, it takes me a very long time to curl my hair, but these are the final results, and I was able to get this while drying and styling at the same time. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for new videos every single Thursday. Feel free to comment and subscribe and let me know what you would like to see in the coming weeks.